Nasaan ba?
Baba mo, baba.
Yun! Eh!
Definition of beauty. And out of everything I've seen, nothing can compete with you, my beauty.
Kasal na kami.
Kasal na kayo.
Yes, 1 year na kami kasal. Civil wedding yun. Ala, naiyak na ako. Wait lang.
Finish na be. Mag-ano na. I-picture.
Father, hintayin mo ako.
Heartbeat.
Ano ko siya, colleague sa work ka. Nagkaroon kami ng feedback or issue kasi yung line of work ko, quality engineer ako. Siya is process engineer. So, if meron akong mga issues, concern, kailangan kong i-relay. Nagkataon yung time na ang dami naming issues, feedback. So, siya yung lagi kong kausap. Hindi ko alam na crush na pala niya ako.
I still find myself amazed at how our story began. From casual workmates to friends, and now husband and wife.
Success! Teka lang, seryoso hindi. Offset. Dito ako. Oh, sorry po yan. Unang tingin ko sa kanya talaga, suplado siya. As in, seryoso, hindi mo siya pwedeng mabiro. During dung getting to know namin, hindi pala siya ganon.
Ang galing, bro.
Until the mountains crumble to the sea.
Ay, sino pala kayo? Hi, fan. Oh, paka-plastic! Yan!
My dearest Julio, today, before God, our families, and everyone we love, I stand here reminded of the words from 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4 to 8, that love is patient and kind, not boastful or rude. And I pray with all my heart that our love will always bear all things, believe all things, hope all things, and endure all things. May love never end.
Sa kanya ko din naramdaman yung love na kalmado. Sa kanya ko rin naramdaman na kaya pala akong intindihin. Ano ba yan? Kapag nagkukwento sa kanya, emotional talaga ako. Kasi hindi ko ina-expect talaga na may taong ganun, na kaya kong tratuhin ng ganun. Sky is the limit yung pinapakita niya sa akin. Iba yung respect, commitment, love na nakukuha ko sa kanya.
Julio, bukal ba sa ilo may pagparito upang makis ang dibdib si Dayan na yung pakamamali paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
There are only 3 adjectives that explain what is nuptial love. First, it must be free. Second, it must be faithful. And lastly, it must be fruitful. Maging bukas kayo sa biyaya ng buhay na ipagkakaloob ni Jesus.
You make my heart feel like it's summer when the rain is pouring down. You make my whole world feel so right when it's wrong. 'Cause I know you are the one. That's why I know you are the one.
Dayan, bukal ba sa iyong loob ay iyong pagparito upang makis ang dibdib si Julio na iyong pakamamali paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Life is easy
Today,
to be scared
I choose you again
with you.
and always. I vow to be your forever partner, your shelter in the storm, and your quiet place of peace.
We did not begin with a fairy tale story or love at first sight, but time was kind to us. And today, you and I are no longer just two people. We are united as one.
You make my heart feel like it's summer. When the rain is pouring down, you make my whole world feel so right. When it's wrong, that's how I know you are the one. That's why I know you are the one. That's why I know you are the one.
We can make anything together. I will love you faithfully and promise to walk you for the rest of my life.
Tell me something.
Gusto ko din to pa rin yung promise ko kay mami na maglalakad ako in white dress. Kaya nung last year, sabi ko sa kanya, ma, hindi pa to yung kasal na gusto kong ibigay sa'yo. So, kaya yung church wedding, gusto ko rin i-offer, i-dedicate din kay mami.
Tell me something.
Pretty me! Ma, yung makeup! Eh, ang ganda, diba?
Do you know just
Ayoko
what
ng
to
ganito.
say?
Parang kinasal na ako ah. Pangalawa lang to.
Alright.
Today, I promise to wake up every morning and share life with you. I promise to hold you, to care for you, to serve you with love, and to support a home filled with warmth and faith. I promise to walk with you through all seasons of life, when it is easy and when it is hard. Whatever life brings, whatever journey we face, I promise to love you today, tomorrow, and in all the ways God allows me to.
Don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one.
You are my unexpected blessing, my answered prayer, and my lifetime. And today, I choose you again. I love you in a million ways, always.
I'll always be the lucky one.